Over the past few decades, the United States has emerged as the greatest laboratory of innovation in the world, pulling off feats that were once believed impossible. Among its most impressive inventions, you'll find flying machines, robots that work without rest, and drones that intercept threats and land themselves. Breakthroughs so bold, they've captured the attention of the entire planet. In this video, I'll show you the 8 craziest, most revolutionary American inventions that have pushed past the limits of what's possible. Machines so advanced they look straight out of science fiction, yet completely real. And stick around until the very end, because number 1 is the one that will truly leave you speechless. Number 8. The electromagnetic railgun. Forget gunpowder, forget explosives. This weapon fires a solid slug of tungsten metal using nothing but raw electricity, and it does it at Mach 6. That's roughly 6 times the speed of sound, nearly triple the speed of a normal rifle bullet. There's no cartridge, no bang from burning powder, just a powerful electric current racing down 2 parallel rails and hurling the projectile forward with unbelievable force. The Navy ran fresh 3-day firing tests out at White Sands Missile Range in February 2025. And the numbers scale from a compact 3 megajoule version up to a monster 32 megajoule design bigger than a heavy artillery piece. To picture what that energy means, the biggest version hits its target with the force of a small car slamming into it at highway speed. And here's the part that stops people cold. The slug carries no explosives at all. It doesn't need any, because at that blistering speed, the sheer weight and velocity of the metal is what does the damage. Like a bullet 1,000 times heavier hitting 1,000 times harder. And since there's no costly missile to build, just a chunk of metal and a jolt of electricity, each shot could cost tens of thousands of dollars instead of the millions a single defense missile burns through. Number 7. The Atlas robot. On January 5th, 2026, at the big CES show in Las Vegas, the world got its first look at the finished production version of Atlas, the first industrial humanoid robot ever built for the factory floor. And here's the kicker. Every single unit rolling off the line in 2026 is already spoken for, with entire fleets promised to major car makers and top AI labs. Stand next to it and you'll understand why it feels so alien. Atlas is 6'3", weighs 200 pounds, and has 56 points of movement, with joints that spin a full 360 degrees, motions your spine literally cannot make. It can snatch up 110 pounds in an instant, like lifting a grown adult with one hand while twisting its wrist in a complete circle. If a limb breaks, a technician swaps it out in under 5 minutes. And with a $26 billion push behind it and a factory plan to build 30,000 of these a year. Number 6. The Roadrunner interceptor. Picture a weapon that launches straight up like a rocket, chases down an incoming drone or missile at nearly the speed of sound, and then, if it turns out the target was harmless, simply flies back home and lands itself to be used again. That's the Roadrunner, and it flips the whole logic of air defense on its head. For decades, the problem was brutally simple. Traditional defenses often rely on expensive missiles costing millions to counter cheap threats costing thousands, which drains a country's arsenal fast. This machine attacks that math directly. In October 2024, the Pentagon awarded Anduril a $250 million contract for 500 of the company's recoverable Roadrunner interceptors. One operator can send up whole squadrons at once, cheap enough to lose, smart enough to bring home. Number 5. The autonomous 9RX tractor. Now imagine a machine the size of a small house grinding across a field at dawn, tearing up 100 acres of dirt a day, with nobody in the cab. No driver, no steering wheel being held, just an empty seat and a giant that knows exactly where it's going. This is the fully autonomous 9RX, and it's one of the most powerful farm machines ever built. Under the hood sits an engine cranking out up to 830 horsepower, strong enough to drag enormous equipment through heavy ground without ever slowing down. But the real magic is how it sees. The second-generation autonomy kit features 16 individual cameras arranged in pods to enable a 360-degree view of the field, so farmers can step away from the machine and focus their time on other important jobs. Those cameras, paired with smart software, let it spot obstacles, judge distance, and steer itself all day long. Why does this matter so much? Because the American Farm Bureau Federation estimates there are roughly 2.4 million farm jobs that need to be filled every year. And this machine works while the barn sleeps. Number 4. The Guardian exoskeleton. This one turns an ordinary person into something close to a superhero. Strap into the Guardian XO and suddenly you can lift a load that would normally take 3 people. And it feels like nothing at all. It's a full-body robotic suit that wraps around your arms, legs, and back, reading your every move and matching it in the blink of an eye. The numbers sound made up, but they're real. The Guardian XO is a 24 degrees of freedom, full-body robotic exoskeleton. And while wearing it, a human can lift 200 pounds while feeling like they're lifting just 10 pounds. That's the strength of 20 men folded into a suit you slip on in seconds. And it doesn't quit halfway through your shift. The Guardian XO is fully electrical and untethered with a runtime of 2 hours, and hot swappable battery packs can keep it going for a full workday. Warehouses, shipyards, even the military are lining up for it, because a worker who never tires and never strains their back changes everything about heavy labor. If any of this is blowing your mind so far, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. It genuinely helps the channel keep digging up stories like this. Now let's climb into the top 3. Number 3. The Alef Model, a flying car. Every kid who ever watched a science fiction movie waited for this exact thing. A car that drives down your street, then lifts straight up into the air and floats over the traffic jam below. And it's no longer a dream. Alef Aeronautics has begun producing what it describes as the world's first road-legal flying car, with the start of production in early December 2025. Here's the part that stops people cold. It doesn't need a runway. The Model A's party trick involves rotating its chassis 90 degrees mid-flight, transforming the front and rear into wings while air flows through its mesh body structure, giving genuine vertical takeoff capability without runways. On the numbers, its projected range is 200 miles on the road and 110 miles in the air. It isn't cheap and it isn't fast on the pavement yet, but the demand is already there. Alef reports receiving approximately 3,500 pre-orders at the current listed price of $299,000. And the company claims that if mass production is successful, costs will eventually fall to compact car levels. Number 2. The Gravity Jet Suit. Remember every superhero who ever fired up a suit and blasted straight into the sky? This is that, except it's real, it's here, and a single person actually wears it. The Gravity Jet Suit straps 5 small jet engines onto your body, 2 on each arm and 1 on your back, and lifts you clean off the ground with nothing holding you to the earth. And the raw power is almost hard to believe. The suit puts out 1,500 horsepower, more than most luxury sports cars, and it can reach speeds of 80 mph. It can lift a pilot vertically to altitudes of up to 12,000 feet and land on a tiny footprint. No runway required. You steer it with nothing but your arms. Point them down and you rise. Spread them wide and you drop. Carrying just over 5 gallons of jet fuel, the suit can propel a 200-pound person for up to 7 minutes. Search and rescue teams have already used it to reach injured people trapped in terrain no vehicle could ever cross, delivering aid in minutes instead of hours. Number 1. The Golden Dome. Everything you've seen so far was building to this. The single most expensive defense program in the history of the United States. The Golden Dome is a shield designed to catch and destroy incoming missiles. Ballistic, hypersonic, cruise missiles, you name it, before they can even reach their target. And unlike anything before it, a huge chunk of this shield won't sit on the ground. It'll live in orbit, watching the whole planet from space. The price tag is what makes your jaw drop. One early figure floated $175 billion, but the Congressional Budget Office came back in May 2026 with a colder number, around $1.2 trillion over the next 2 decades. The most expensive piece by far is that layer of interceptors in space, eating up nearly 60% of the whole cost. The goal? A working capability by the summer of 2028, with the full system stretching into the 2030s. Nothing on Earth compares to the scale of it. A roof of sensors and weapons hanging in space over an entire nation. Exactly the speechless finale we promised you at the start. So there you have it. The 8 most jaw-dropping American inventions and mega projects on the planet right now, from a gun that fires with pure electricity to a shield being built in the sky above us. Every one of them proves the same thing. The future isn't being imagined here, it's being built. Now I want to hear from you. Out of everything you just saw, which invention amazed you the most? And which one honestly scares you a little? Drop it in the comments because I read every single one. And the real question hanging over all of this is simple. If it takes this much power to run every machine you just watched, who's going to generate enough of it first? We'll dig into that next time. See you in the next one.